Welcome to Ride Auto, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the world of automobiles. Today, we dive into the stunning lineup of 2025 Alfa Romeo models, a brand that continues to blend passion, performance, and Italian craftsmanship into every vehicle it produces. The 2025 Alfa Romeo Giulia remains one of the most captivating luxury sedans in the segment. With its sleek exterior, aggressive front grille, and signature LED lighting, it commands attention on the road. Under the hood, it offers a powerful engine lineup, including a turbocharged four-cylinder and a high-performance V6 for the quadrifoglio trim. Inside, the cabin exudes sophistication with premium materials, a digital instrument cluster, and a user-friendly infotainment system that keeps you connected and entertained. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising the highway, the Giulia provides an engaging driving experience with its precise steering and dynamic handling. For those seeking the versatility of an SUV without compromising performance, the 2025 Alfa Romeo Stelvio is the perfect choice. This luxury compact SUV boasts a refined yet sporty design, enhanced by aerodynamic lines and signature Alfa Romeo styling cues. The interior is designed to provide comfort and convenience, featuring high-quality materials, an advanced infotainment system, and a driver-centric cockpit. Under the hood, the Stelvio delivers exhilarating performance with a turbocharged engine that ensures quick acceleration and a thrilling ride. With available all-wheel drive and a finely tuned suspension, this SUV is as agile as it is practical, making it a standout in its class. The 2025 Alfa Romeo Tonale continues to make waves as a subcompact luxury SUV with hybrid technology. With a plug-in hybrid powertrain, it offers both efficiency and performance, allowing drivers to enjoy an eco-friendly ride without sacrificing Alfa Romeo's signature driving dynamics. The Tonale's striking design incorporates a V-shaped front grille, bold LED headlights, and sculpted bodywork, giving it a modern yet timeless appeal. Inside, it features a high-tech cockpit with digital displays, advanced connectivity options, and luxurious materials that enhance comfort. The Tonale is a testament to Alfa Romeo's commitment to innovation, offering a balance of sustainability and excitement. A new addition to the lineup, the 2025 Alfa Romeo Junior Ibrida, is an affordable yet premium hybrid hatchback. Designed to appeal to a younger audience, this stylish and compact car brings Italian luxury to a budget-friendly segment. It features massage seats, a premium sound system, and an AI-powered voice assistant integrated with ChatGPT, making it one of the most technologically advanced models in its class. The Junior Ibrida's hybrid powertrain ensures impressive fuel efficiency, making it an ideal choice for urban drivers who want both sustainability and a fun driving experience. For enthusiasts who crave the ultimate performance machine, the 2025 Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale is a dream come true. Inspired by the legendary 1967 model, this limited production supercar is available with a choice of a twin-turbo V6 engine or an all-electric powertrain. The 33 Stradale's aerodynamic body, aggressive stance, and meticulously crafted interior create an unparalleled driving experience. With cutting-edge technology, lightweight materials, and a focus on precision engineering, this supercar embodies the spirit of Alfa Romeo's racing heritage. Alfa Romeo has also simplified its 2025 lineup by offering each model in a single, well-equipped trim level, accompanied by special edition variants such as the Tributo Italiano and Intensa Series. These special editions add unique styling elements, performance enhancements, and exclusive features that set them apart. The Tributo Italiano pays homage to the brand's Italian roots with distinctive colors and premium accents, while the Intensa series focuses on high-performance upgrades and bespoke luxury touches. The 2025 Alfa Romeo lineup reflects the brand's dedication to delivering vehicles that combine passion, innovation, and driving pleasure. Whether you're drawn to the elegance of the Giulia, the versatility of the Stelvio, the efficiency of the Tonale, the affordability of the Junior Ibrida, or the sheer exhilaration of the 33 Stradale, there's an Alfa Romeo for every kind of driver. The legacy of Alfa Romeo continues to evolve, pushing the boundaries of automotive design and engineering while staying true to its heritage. At Ride Auto, we celebrate the art of driving, and Alfa Romeo remains one of the finest examples of automotive excellence. If you're ready to experience the thrill of Italian performance, the 2025 Alfa Romeo lineup awaits you. Stay tuned for more updates, reviews, and exclusive insights into the world of automobiles. Until then, keep your passion for driving alive, and remember, every ride should be an experience worth savoring. 0 out of 2.